Hi friends, welcome to TRENDRIDER channel supported by Horinga.co.in. Today we are going to do the technical answers for APTECH Limited. APTECH is into education services, education and training services, and what you're watching is the monthly technical chart of the stock, and this is the historical price chart, and these are all the technical indicators that I deployed on the stock to do the technical answers. These are all the graphs generated by these technical indicators. And regarding data for technical analysis, we have data since 2012 June up to 2017 November 22nd. Okay, if you look at the historical price path pattern of the stock, actually up to, you can clearly see that up to February 2016, the stock is not doing great, frankly. And only after February 2016, the stock started moving in upward direction suddenly and started making new highs. New high 1, new high 2, new high 3, and right now the stock is in another consolidation phase. Okay, a path pattern has formed, a clear path pattern, and right now, and since 1.5 year, more than 1.5 year, the stock started moving in upward direction, consistently making new highs, along with a few consolidations here and there. That's good. And you can clearly see that the stock had already crossed its 20 and 50 moving average, and it is right now under the influence of positive super trend mode, which is another good. And sorry, and we can clearly regarding the market demand for education training services, that sort of thing is already there. In India, where which is a huge population country, and for jobs and all, people have to get trained in so many this thing, and IT is right now, for the past 15-20 years it has been booming, and nowadays it has become a part of syllabus, and this particular company is into training and educational related stuff. So definitely this particular company services has huge demand outside. And one more important point, Rakesh Junjunwala, the ACE investor, had invested a certain amount of money in this APTECH Limited. That is also there. So, the fundamentals of the stock are good. And now we will do the technical thing. We will see actually how far APTECH can be considered for long-term investment at this moment. Okay, now relative strength of the stock is picking up, and actually it is touching the 80 line, which is good, and directional strength of the stock is rising up, and both the positive and negative directional lines are making huge space between them. It's good. Stochastics, both the lines are playing on, near to the top line, and the fast line is on top of the slow line. Good. Price volume change, if I keep the crosshairs here, I'm clearly seeing that the volumes are rising. Good. Momentum is momentum is also peaking up, but it is very low. Momentum is very low, just playing on top of the baseline, but momentum is very low. And balance of power is slightly bullish, and elder is in sync with balance of power. Both indicators are telling us that right now the stock is slightly bullish, and Kovakar is showing, is above zero line, showing that giving a buy signal. Okay, guys, most of the indicators are are like near to the benchmark. They are not performing at benchmark level, but they are near to the benchmark level, except for the momentum. Momentum is very low right now. Maybe the so once this momentum gets settled, I think the stock will zoom up. But still, looking at the overall picture of the stock, from market demand and for its services, and company fundamentals, and this technical guiding point signals, as for me, the stock can be considered for long term investment. And because looking at the historical price path pattern, I'm pretty sure that after this consolidation again the stock will move in upward direction, and this time it will make a new high. Maybe it may not touch 400, but at least it will reach 370, 375, if at all. If after this consolidation phase, if it moves in this next move, definitely it will go up to that level. It will definitely cross 360. That is there for sure, and like that. That is the expectation. That is my expectation. Okay, so this is what I am thinking. So I think that right now this stock can be considered for long-term investment. This is as per my analysis. So this is my conclusion, guys. If you like this analysis, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.